excited!
Today, we've taken our bus, parked near somewhere very special, and we've arrived. And where are we going today, if you can't guess?
Harry Potter Studios.
So we emailed beforehand and realised that actually we could park in their car park. Their car park is huge, but they've put us in the coach park, so we actually look quite small in and amongst. Let's get packed up and try and get in and take a tour of Harry Potter Studios.
You can come if you want.
Yeah, let's go have a look.
Come with Harry Potter jumper on.
So we're just walking in. They've got like people everywhere doing cool things. So they just handed Lily a wand to try out, although she's brought her own. And we're here today because it's part of your birthday celebrations, isn't it?
Yeah, it was my birthday on Sunday.
21 again.
21 again. I was getting on early, but...
When you first arrive here, you want to be at least 20 minutes early because you have to go through security checks, don't you?
Yeah.
So we went through bag check, and then you go through like
the
a
metal detector.
Yeah, and then you go into the main bit, and then you've got a queue again to like get in.
Yeah.
To the actual main bit.
Cupboard under the stairs. I think I'd quite like to live in the cupboard under the stairs.
Hey there.
Film first before you get in, and then you go into the Great Hall first.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we're in the Great Hall. And it's all done up for Halloween. What is it called? What do they call the event?
Dark Arts.
The Dark Arts. So in a minute we might see some... That's so good.
Easy.
And then you go into this area what is not really part of the movie. It's just bits of the movie, like the common room.
Yes, like so it's different
and the ball.
sets, isn't there?
Different sets. And there's also Dumbledore's office.
So we've been through the Grand Hall, and now we are in Gryffindor's common room. It's very fancy, fancy.
It's amazing. You like work your way through. So you start and you see lots of the costumes, hair and makeup, wigs, and then we're just in a bit now where you see lots of the sets. So this is the Gryffindor common room. The Slytherin common room.
The Gryffindor boys' dormitory we've seen as well.
It's amazing. You've got like all of this. The details is tremendous. I thought it would ruin the films for me, but it hasn't. It's brilliant because the detail is just tremendous. I wish that I had a pet tea. It would be very useful for my terrible short-term memory. My wizard's cat. Mate, there's a bit where you can fly on a real broom. So here it is for your viewing pleasure. Let us know who you think did it best. Kelly wouldn't do it because she said she would have been the
Yeah, but
best.
how much would that have cost as well?
Well, you know, for your viewing pleasure, if you want to start a GoFundMe for us, let us know. Nanny would appreciate that knitting. She could do it herself. She does, very good at knitting. We've even got the Forbidden Forest.
Of course,
Hagrid! Wow! One thing you might not be expecting to see in Harry Potter Studios is its Christmas shop. You may need all of the gold that Harry Potter has in Gringotts Bank to buy anything in there, but nevertheless, it's still very cool. Oh my god! There it is!
We made it through the barrier.
Yeah.
Nearly got stuck.
Broke round through the wall, didn't you? And now
Yeah.
on platform.
9 3/4.
That's the badge. We'll take the lot. That was giddy, wasn't it? We popped in and had some lunch. Very nice, wasn't it? Now we're at Privet Drive. Over there's the night bus. Imagine converting one of those into a camper van.
Wow, that'd be cool.
I know. Dude, they've got our kitchen. Oh my god, they've got our kitchen. Retro, mate. It's going to be on at me now to replace the kitchen. Although, if it's been in a film, surely it's cool. Ooh, to the greenhouse.
Or is that mouse?
What do you think of that?
Wow. It's exactly like that.
Night bus is brilliant.
That button does something. I'm gonna take the.
Definitely right for conversion, I think.
Love it.
There's a guy here dressed as Hagrid and he said hello to Lily earlier. He's got stuck on the motorbike over here.
And he called me
Good
Hermione.
work here.
He called me
Legend, mate.
Hermione.
Did, he called you Hermione, didn't he?
And they also show a lot of like how they make the special effects and like the makeup and the costume departments and stuff, which is really cool as well.
This is bananas in here. What's in here?
You think in there's a vault?
Do you think it's the vault?
Yeah, I think it's the vault.
You see?
Yes, there's the dragon in it.
Imagine if you flew out now. Everyone would be like, woo, woo. Amazing. No need to imagine. Diagonal alley. Death Eater's coming. Death Eater's coming. Death Eater's coming.
Death Eater's
Death Eater. Death Eater.
Death Eater's Death Eater.
Well done, very brave. Hope she didn't curse me. Curse me with good looks. This room contains Hogwarts itself.
Granddad.
How much?
And I can keep the card.
£8.95.
Film, Ron said that I've eaten 500 of these, and his family are not supposed to be well off. Do the maths, they're £8.90 each, mate. Gift shop though, mental. It's just as good as everywhere else. There's so much to see. There's like 5 shops in one. Wands, clothes, merch, sweet shop, everything you could really want. Even personalised clothes.
The gift shop, oh my goodness. It's huge.
Crookshank.
They had loads of really cool stuff.
Look how big she is.
We wanted loads of different things, didn't we? But we
Yeah.
were good and got one thing each. So we're just quickly having a coffee, get some things ready, and then we're
And
gonna...
Dad's fixing something.
I almost didn't bring any tools with me this time because I thought nothing will go wrong. I'm glad I did.
Rich has fixed the windscreens, and
Yeah.
now windscreen wiper, I should say, and now we can go.
I'm so glad I did bring those tools. It's all fixed now. Harry Potter Studios was.
Brilliant!
Go watch more of our adventures
Yeah.
Yeah.
and we'll see you real soon.
1, 2, 3, bye.